So, you and your client just did the hardest part. You found the perfect home, navigated the maze of financing, did multiple offers, had to wheel and deal, property inspections, and finally, you close the deal. Big congratulations, but hold on. Your job isn't done yet. There are two crucial steps you need to take next to really protect that investment. First, set up a revocable living trust. Revocable living trust. I know it sounds legalish, but trust me, this is important. Putting your home and other assets into a trust means your family can avoid the nightmare that is probate, which is an expensive, slow, court-supervised process that takes forever. This way, if something happens to you, your property goes exactly where you want it to go, to your family. The courts? They stay out of it. And that's a good thing. Second, and most people totally miss this one because I know I missed it for many years. Set up a term life insurance policy. Term life insurance policy equal to your mortgage amount. Why? Because if something happens to you, the mortgage gets paid off and your family gets the property free and clear. No hassles, no probate drama. It's all about making sure your loved ones are taken care of, right? By taking these two simple steps, you're not just buying a home. You're building a future for your family. And believe me, your kids will thank you for it later.